Let's dive into a big question of 2023. Are logos still relevant, or has the industry flatlined and is currently dying? Some designers claim that logo design is crucial in creating brand recognition, but is that the whole truth? Well, let's put that to the test right now. Take a look at this logo here. You know it, right? Yep, that's right, it is the FedEx logo. But if you can guess this one, then yeah, you're on a completely different level. Or maybe you just really love fried chicken. And that's because this is the KFC logo. Now, as you can see, logos can help people remember and recognize a brand, but they can also make some really strong emotional connections. For instance, when you see this logo, do you feel a certain way? Maybe you're a coffee aficionado who associates this with a rich aroma of freshly ground coffee beans. Last year, Starbucks raked in a whopping $22.3 billion in gross profit revenue. But how much of that is down to the logo design alone? Well, we're going to get to that later, but first, we need to address the elephant in the room: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has started to take over the world of graphic design, and it's proving to be a game changer. You'd be really hard pressed to find a designer who isn't using AI in some kind of way, shape or form in their workflows. But let's not get too excited just yet. AI is still in its early stages, and with growth does come growing pains. Take for instance the recent $1.8 trillion lawsuit from Getty Images against Stability AI. Yikes. But hey, can AI actually create good logos? AI falls flat on its face when it comes to typography and designing simplistic yet relevant logo designs. Sure, some people have had mild success with Stable Diffusion, but come on, let's be honest here. AI cannot hold a candle to what a decent logo designer or design agency can accomplish. Just yet, anyway. Notice the emphasis on the word yet. AI isn't just going to disappear and go away, and it likely does need tailoring and regulated for moving forward to the future. Much like how the internet was a wild and lawless place in the very beginning. But for now, here's what you need to know about the relationship of AI and logo designing. AI won't replace humans. Humans using AI will replace humans. Right now, we're the ones controlling AI, and it's humans who are creating businesses that allow other humans to utilize AI. And if you use it correctly, there are some downright awesome ways that logo designers can make use of AI in their workflow and their process. For one, AI can actually help target audiences more effectively through quick research. It can also assist with organizing workflows and planning out logo design processes. And get this, it can really help with the idea creation and concept creation of the logo design process. Plus, it can actually help you attract more clients and then actually build strong relationships with those clients. But let's put AI to the side for the moment and ask the question that's on everybody's lips. Does the logo design have a future? Well, right now, we all know it's a critical part of the branding system, but what about the future, and how are brands going to function in the future? The key to creating a strong relationship and recognition with an audience is to have a memorable logo, but that's just the beginning. Brands also rely on elements such as color schemes, font selection, graphic designs, music, and other forms of media to create an overall brand identity. It's a pretty complex process that can make or break a brand. So the question remains, is there a future for the logo designer? Now get ready, because the world of logo design is about to take a major leap into the future. Now as we shift to a more mobile and web-based world, logos are being optimized to these new platforms. Take the Habitat or Google logo as seen right here. The future of logo design is probably going to be more dynamic, more personal, more interactive, and move beyond a static kind of logo. With the rise of augmented and virtual reality, brands now have the opportunity to connect with their audiences on a whole new level, possibly totally immersive. And the designers who can think beyond just a logo and understand the brand is a personality and a kind of a system, they're the ones who are really going to survive and thrive. If you're someone who designs websites and you felt the shame of sending a bad design to a client, then today's sponsor, ReadyMag, can really put an end to all of that. Now you can actually make websites you're proud of, or perhaps an editorial, a landing page, or even an online presentation. All really doable with ReadyMag. It's a design tool made by designers for designers, and you can sign up for free and start using it straight from your web browser. It couldn't be easier. Now you can easily optimize websites for desktop, mobile, and tablet layouts. Because let's face it, if your website isn't optimized for mobile in this day and age, then it's just a no-go. The mobile versions are automatically created when you're working on your web projects, and ReadyMag templates are also optimized for mobile. Now, you can build really interesting and unique experiences with different compositions, and you can choose to have your layouts separate. So for example, if you're working on, say, a desktop layout, the changes you make to that layout won't have an effect on the mobile layout. This is so the content can look good on different devices if need be placed differently. And you can try ReadyMag right now totally for free without using a credit card to sign up. But ReadyMag does offer a wide variety of different flexible plans. You can pay the price depending on the number of projects you're actually going to create and the features that you desire to use. But here's the juicy part. Use my referral link in the description box below and get a sweet special discount for your first purchase. And that discount applies to all ReadyMag plans. So yeah, check out ReadyMag in the description box below and make something cool today. Predicting the future is a game of uncertainty. Nobody truly knows what's going to happen, but everybody has an opinion. As somebody who's been in the logo design industry since 2009, here's my opinion on how designers can survive moving forward. Capitalism means brands and businesses will continue to exist, and so that means branding and logo design will continue to be required. The way consumers interact with those brands is changing. And so as a logo designer, you really need to keep up to date with how technology is advancing and how that's merging into society and how people are interacting with that technology. I think you should embrace AI to save time and to boost your workflow. That goes without saying pretty much. It might be that in multiple years from now, there won't be a specific role as a logo designer anymore. Rather, the entire branding process will be unified as a whole. The logo itself could become less important but more integrated into the overall brand image, while becoming less cemented and static but more adaptable and changeable. So with that being said, I think it's really important for logo designers to understand what a brand is and having the skills to create brand identities moving forward. AI is the wild card here, and we don't know for certain how advanced it can become and at what rate. But brands will definitely need targeted identities that resonate with specific groups of people. If that's made by humans, or made by AI through humans, or made by AI through AI, that is yet to be seen. The rules that govern what works as an effective logo design still stand true and relevant today and moving forward. And if you want to learn all about these golden rules, then just click that video on screen. And until next time guys, design your future today. Peace.